211 Connecticut maintains the largest and most comprehensive database of health and human services across the state. Our database contains more than 40,000 programs and services and includes a wide range of resources that can help Connecticut residents overcome transportation barriers, locate food resources, connect with support groups, and address other social determinants of health. My 211 account enables community providers, caseworkers, and individuals seeking services to create custom resource lists and care plans that can be saved, shared, implemented, and updated as needed. My 211 account makes it easier for Connecticut residents to connect with the help and support that they need. But how do you create a My 211 account? I have great news. It's super simple. Simply visit www.211ct.org and you'll arrive at the Connecticut 211 homepage. Because I already have an account, I see in the upper right-hand corner that it says My 211 account. But if I didn't, when I arrived at the homepage, I would see a button that says Sign Up. By clicking Sign Up, you and those that you work with can easily create their own My 211 account. The only required fields are an email and password, but you can choose to give us your first name, last name, the organization that you work for, and your phone number if you would like. Once you populate your email and your password, click Sign Up, and you can begin creating and sharing custom resource lists with those that you serve. I'm going to go ahead and log into my 211 account to show you some of the lists that I've already created. If you click My 211 account and select Resource List, it will bring you to your personalized dashboard. This dashboard shows all of the resource lists that you've created, which can be organized by date created or by name, which will sort them alphabetically. From here, you can go ahead and you can share a list, delete a list, rename it, or open it to begin browsing through the resources that you've added to that list. If I wanted to share my Danbury Food Pantries list, I could go ahead and click Share and share it via email or text message. I could also copy the link and embed it on my website or embed it in a personalized email from my personal email account. The choice is yours. But how do you build up custom resource lists? If I jump back to the 211ct.org dashboard, I can begin searching for programs and services. If I type in food and select food pantries, select or type in the location that I'm interested in looking in, click search, and it will draw you into the 211ct.org database of food pantries that are serving Rocky Hill, Connecticut. We see here that there's 34 resources. And maybe I want to begin building up my list of Rocky Hill food pantries that I can share with someone that's looking for those resources. If I click Add to List, I'll be given the option to create a new list. And I can type in Rocky Hill food pantries. Click Create, and that resource has been added to my recently created Rocky Hill food pantries list. You can add an unlimited number of resources to your resource list. So I can continue to go scroll through my resource cards and add additional resources to that list. All you have to do is select the list that you're interested in adding that resource to. So I'd select Rocky Hill Food Pantries and click Add to List once again. And as I said, you can add an unlimited number of resources. Resource lists can be subject specific, or they can be customized for the individuals that you work with to contain a mix of resources to help meet that individual's need. So once again, visit www.211ct.org and sign up for your My 211 account. Thanks.